Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Facebook Live Guide step by step how to recover or see deleted photos. So here teach you how to do that. So now as you can see right now, I posted something right here. Now we're gonna delete it. So to delete it, just click on the three dots and then click on move to trash. So now it's deleted and it's now on trash now. So where to find it? So to find it, all we need to do is go right here to our menu. So let's say here, click on the three dots, then go to the menu, then click on settings right here. So once you're at your settings, you locate, all you need to do is right here, find the activity log. Right here, activity log, as you can see right there, just below the payment, right here, activity log. Press on the activity log. After pressing the activity log, there's two ways to open it. The first way is to the archive. Archive, then click on trash. And here, as you can see right now, there is the deleted picture right here, right there, as you can see. And another way to do it, if you just delete the photo, you can just click on the trash itself right here. Press on that. After doing that, to recover it now, all we need to do is press on the picture that we just deleted. Then click on this arrow thingy right here, arrow that is going up then left side. Just click on that. After clicking on that, here it will ask you to restore to profile. Items you restore to your profile can be seen by audience that was selected before they were moved to trash. So now we're gonna click on yes. There you go. And to permanently delete your picture, all you do is click on that picture and click on delete right here. And delete item you delete can't be restored, which means it will be permanently deleted. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you do it. So if you have any more questions, you can type it in the comment section below. If you have any more questions, concerns, or anything, you can ask, and we'll be happy to answer you right as fast as we can. So there, I hope you guys please enjoyed. There you go. It's back. So there, I hope you guys please enjoyed. If you have any questions, type in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.